Okay, right here you're looking at sample. I did a pipe patch. This is the cast iron that's broken, and there's another one that's here that's broken. And then if you can see right here, this is where a crack is, where some of the epoxy sealed the crack. And right here too, where there's a crack here too, it's a hairline crack, and seal that. And this thing is, because it's sunny, it already cured in less than an hour. I'm going to deflate it and see how it looks like when I remove this balloon. As you can see, the inner bag has deflated. Then I can pull it out easily. And inside looks like this. Okay, I'm going to move it and see. And I'll drop it on the floor. How's that? Okay. Going to cut this. Keep samples of it in some of my plumber's vehicles. So 1 hour, it's cure, but I would say maybe another hour more. It's gonna get harder and harder depending on the time it's going to cure. And if you can see, it's not even collapsing back. And if there's roots from underground, how it's going to go through this if it's already sealed in.